Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, we gonna get to the bottom of this. Get paid up to $12 just for listening to one song, right? Get paid $12 per song, right? This is a information that's going around a lot on TikTok and YouTube and stuff like that. And is this real? Is this legit? You know what I mean? Is this really possible? So I did my little looking around, watching other people, what they saying, and looking at the website that you're supposed to be able to do this. And here's my thoughts on it. First and foremost, this whole get paid to listen to music, it's been around for years. I've got several videos on it. And I've always been pretty consistent with my thoughts on that. Yes, you can make money listening to music, but not a lot at all. You know what I mean? It's super extra income if you decide to do that. I mean, very little money. So when I saw this whole, earn $12 for listening to one song, I'm like, wow, okay, let me look into it. So the name of this company is called Playlist Push. Right? A lot of people talking about it. A lot of people like, oh man, this is it. This, if you want to earn some easy money, you get paid $12. So your average person, especially if you're new to the whole make money online, when you hear earn $12 to listen to one song, most people are gonna be like, oh my God, dude, if I listen to like 20 songs, I'm balling. I just listen to 20 songs a day. Like, this cake. This is it. I made it, right? Nah. It don't work like that, right? It don't work like that. Trust me. So, looking at this, from what I see with the whole playlist push, make money stuff, it is a legit site. It's a real site, right? People go to it, whatever. And you got at the top of the website, they show you where it says, creators, and it says make money, listening to music, and then it says make money as a TikTok creator. So you click on to make money, listen to music. The first thing you need to realize is, if you don't have a playlist like with a lot of followers to it, like on Spotify or iTunes or YouTube, if you don't got a playlist with a substantial amount of followers, and they stress real followers, right then and there, you have no opportunity, right, to make any money. So your average person, if you're not into the whole building playlist with tons of followers, you automatically cut out, right? So that right there is going to weed out a lot of people when it comes to earning this kind of money. Then apparently, because I've seen several cases where people were talking about this opportunity, and then they were saying like, yo, I had a playlist, right? I had everything. I did it. I filled out everything. And then I kept getting rejected. They wouldn't allow me to be a song reviewer, right? And they kept coming up with all these different excuses. Basically, let me just keep it real. Yes, you can earn money doing that, but to get to that point, from what I see with this company, it's gonna be very difficult to even get approved, right? To even do songs, and even if you get approved, people aren't making full-time incomes, from what I understand. With playlist push, right? It'll be one of them things that I believe, even if you got hired, not even I don't want to call it hired, but you got approved to listen to songs and get paid, I'm sure you can't just sit there and listen to 100 songs a day. I'm sure, and get $1,200 a day listening to music. I'm sure there's probably like all these restrictions and limitations and all that. So listen, I if you want to check it out and you got followers and stuff, yeah, definitely. But if you're curious, like, can you just pop on there and start earning money today listening to music and getting $12? I'm gonna say no. Do not look at this as an opportunity that's gonna, not even a part-time income, definitely not a full-time income, not sustainable opportunity in my opinion. I think a lot of people are fooled by the people talk about the way they talk about it. But that's just my take on it, right? Definitely wouldn't go into that looking like this is a big money making opportunity. All right, that's my take. Now, if you do want something that can earn you quick money, easy money, right? It's super easy. I made money with it. You definitely want to check out the $50 side hustle. Link is in the description. All you got to do is watch the video. I talk about it all the time, right? And follow the steps, right? This is something that could earn you a couple extra $100 this week, next week, and you can blow it up however you want to. But you definitely can earn a quick couple $100, which is way more than you probably will earn from playlist push. All right, but that's just my take. That's just my opinion on it. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace.